Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for November 19, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's the SPY daily chart. So today the market is slamming down and then they crawl back up, so they are going nowhere. So the market is just still in the sideways correction here. As you can see here in the smaller time frame, so the market is in the morning, they go right into the buy zone and then they start bouncing back up here. So as long as the market is still below the Dow trend line, we still see that the market is still in a sideways correction. However, if the market be able to break out here, and then we will be able to get back and continue the uptrend again. So the market probably waiting for the stimulus packet, to come out. So if that one had come out, then it give more push for the market to push it higher. And if you look at the E-mini future overnight, the market it still go nowhere. They come down, they go sideways, they fall the bottom here. So if they're able to break above this line here, and then we have more chance for the market it to put it back up. Otherwise, we're still in the up and down formation here before they be able to get out and go higher. So if you are in our live trading room today, okay, so the market is open, we know that the market is going to slam it down. So at 6:30, the market pushes back down after the break a upward trend line. So our member take the 10 point down for the first few minutes and turn around with another long trade. So total it's the 18 point for the first 30 minutes. So in the ES, it is $900 per one contract. So after I get out, the live trading room, I still have one more chance for me to jump in, take a quick trade for $775, and then I close some swing trade for $5,800.41. So the total net profit for today is $6,617. Okay. So after that, the market it goes sideways whole day until the last minute. They go opposite from yesterday. They slam it down. Today they push it back up. And after hour, the market is slam down again. They have a support. So now they try to find a way to put it back up again. So if you look at the a lot of stock over the weekend, you can when we do a weekly market forecast, we analyze a bunch of stuff like airline. You see that like SPI, you try to find a way. After they hit resistance, people take some profit, but they still hold up pretty well there. SPCE, that's another one. It's still doing well. They try to find a way to break out. Let's see how far they can go. And Boeing, it also hit the first resistance yesterday, so they pull back, but they still hold up there. And energy sector is still hold up very tight after they hit there, so they still stay in the upside there. BKR, that's another one. They hit the resistance, they pull back down, they fill up the gap, and then they hold up there again. And PSF, okay, that's a Philip 66, same thing. They all hold up pretty strong there. A lot of stock like FPE, okay, those stocks they have some issue with the coronavirus, but they still hold up very tight though. As you can see here, BKNG, that's another one that still goes sideways. But hospitality right now they yet wait for the vaccine. So those stocks, if the vaccine come out, those stocks they can turn around and go higher. MGM, it gets to the holiday season. It should be a nice seasonal for the MGM. Las Vegas Sands, they still hold up pretty strong there. A lot of bio stock like Pfizer still have trouble up and down here until the vaccine is completely come out. So right now they all talk but no vaccine yet. So those stocks still go sideways here. Okay. So like Moderna, they shoot back up, they pull back down, they have a support. Now they hold up there, okay, until they be able to turn around again. A lot of technology stock today is doing very well, like AMD, As you can see, X, L, and X. Okay, the semiconductor it's pretty strong, as you can see. And some internet stock it's also doing well, like Roku, HTTD. Okay, those stock that they get benefit for more lockout, stay home, and work at home. Okay, so if you this is what we have for you this week. So far the market is still hang up pretty strong. Okay, they yet try to find the momentum so they can break out and continue to the upside. Okay, so we have to stay there to see how the market doing tomorrow and next week. We head to the holiday season. Usually it's the bullish for the market. Let's see the be able to do for this year with a lot of bad news on the coronavirus. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn how to do day trade as well as swing trade to make some extra daily income for you and your family, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. I have a free video there for you to see, to show you how we trade. So hopefully you can learn something and then you can make some extra income for you. Okay, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to give me a thumb up. I will see you on the next week weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.